yo, Tyrell. Fuck a photo. We're filming this shit, man.
What the fuck is you going? What? Who is this driving? God damn!
Yeah. 80, 20, 75, 25.
Yeah,
Push
so
that
I was
bitch,
doing a
dog.
little bit more digging, and I realized that. So Matthew knows that clip that we just played.
And don't even post it to somebody. So, and then it goes, she ain't going. Hey, silly. The hell you going? Get in line, ho. At the 20 steps. You sure about that? You claim you like long walk, but you're breathing hard at the 20. You better make that damn green light pulling out in front of me. Shit, pulling out in front of me, you ain't even doing a damn speed limit. Better glad my goddamn horn don't work, boy. Woo-hoo-hoo. You better be goddamn glad my horn don't work. Yeah, pulling out in front of me, not even doing the speed limit. Why am I under 35 miles per hour? But you put it out in front of me, bitch. Hey. New glass? Bitch, what you braking for? Ain't nobody in front of you. You better be turning. Yeah, get your ass out of the motherfucking way, ho. You put it out in front of me, ain't it? What you doing? Motherfucker, you better goddamn. Hey. Man. Hurry up, bitch. Shit. Mm-hmm. Hey, damn right you saw it. Shit did nasty. She dropping off them condoms. Oh, shit. They melting. They melting, ain't nothing. Damn, ain't that bitch up. Alabama State. Oh, shit. AS. They put blue lights on that motherfucker. That ain't no police car. They got blue lights on the back of their vehicle. She tried it. They got a van. Gwinnett. They're a long way from home, Gwinnett. Ain't that true count? They be saying Gwinnett. Ain't never saw a cracker man van. Oh. Man, for real? Come on. They got their light out, man. I don't know what they gonna do. They fucking not maintain lane either. Yeah, she said her parents. I'm like, wait a minute, your parents? Wait a minute, you fucking kidding me? Your parents? What do you mean your parents? What the hell? Come on, man. What the fuck kind of bullshit with that? You hear it? Your tag said you hear it. I know you fucking lying. Ooh-wee. Damn, why y'all didn't get his fucking ass?
Cautious as fuck. Even when the Amazon driver will leave, the white one would stay at the door, wave at him, smile until he gets in the van. The black one, to this day, I don't know how he did it. Taught himself how to walk backwards.
Yeah, I see. Hey, you know what that mean when they stand in front of the vehicle?
Like the formula now.
Change has come. Lost? They got a pistol.